Hi, my name is Gene Raymond Schneider. I'm a realtor and broker with Home Point Real Estate in Brentwood, California. If you're new to the video series, I want to point out that there is a link up above my head. If you're not watching this on YouTube, if you are watching it on YouTube, you'll have to go to the website that's going to be right down here in front of me. Anyway, if you go there, you can get all the videos in this series. You can also order the book that the series is based upon for free, along with the investor calculator. I would recommend you watch this series in order, but watch them in any order you want to. Anyway, today, what I want to do is start with why is real estate investing? Why not other types of investing? Well, I think real estate investing is one of the best investments people can make. There are many types of investments, all have their ups and downs, both in terms of price and other issues tied to investments. Real estate is an actual commodity. It will not disappear. And they're not making any more of it. Well, actually, technically in the Middle East, they're building these little islands out there that they're selling to people. But in general, they're not making any more real estate. It is a limited commodity. You should get it while you can, where it's good. Right now, I think real estate is a particularly good investment. I have had clients I can refer you to buying properties, making in excess of 10, even 15% on some of those investments. But the point is, I'm not going to make you any particular promise about what an particular investment is going to pay. What I'm going to do is I'm going to give you tools to use on your own so you can look at a house and you can determine what kind of return you're going to get on that investment. That you can calculate your profits, your losses, and project these things out. Nothing's ever certain, but the better educated you are, the more tools you have, the better decisions you're going to make. Now, I can help you with those decisions. I can run spreadsheets for you. I do this for clients all the time. But with the tools in this video series and the book above, you can get these, you can do this on your own. Now, the other advantage of real estate, of course, is I think you have a good chance for long-term appreciation in your property values. So not only can you make money by renting the property out, so every month you have a steady stream of positive income flow, which you're getting right now on investments, you're also getting long-term appreciation on the property. And many people are talking about the interest rates have bottomed out. The interest rates have got to go up. This is what they're saying. We're also seeing inflation right now in energy. We're seeing inflation in food prices. We're seeing inflation in almost every area of our economy except real estate, which in some areas is going up in price. Certain markets are going up in price. But soon I think all of real estate is going to be going up in price, and we're going to hit those inflationary forces again. So right now is the time to invest in real estate for both short-term and long-term profits. Now, frequently I get contacted by buyers or individuals who's bought a real estate system or seen a real estate system on late night TV or cobbled together one of these systems. And I think you all know what I'm talking about. They're usually on an infomercial in the middle of the night. And in general, I'm not impressed with what I see here. A lot of the information is not accurate. It's one side of the story, or they don't tell you how much work you really have to put into one of these systems. And, you know, some of these success stories are a little hard to believe. You know, it reminds me of fishing. Sometimes, and I love to fish, you find a great fishing hole and you're pulling fish out of it right or left. And a lot of times you're there by yourself and it's kind of a nice place. Well, when you start to get a lot of fish going, other people hear about it, they show up, the place gets fished out, and it's no longer any good. A lot of these investment strategies these people are talking about have been overdone. And for every one potential investment of this type out there, there's 100 people beating at the door trying to get to that investment. And yeah, you can do them without cash, I suppose. I suppose once in a while somebody has to have a success somewhere, just like the lottery. But the reality is your time and your money are better off doing it right, doing what needs to be done. Right now these people, they're making their money selling a system. If they could really make money that way in real estate, they'd spend their time making the money in real estate doing it, not selling a dated system on late night television. And by the way, the kinds of deals they're talking about in those series, you're better off if you have lots of cash if you try to do them. None of these no cash, no money down. They're just not working that well. If you are an investor with significant assets, that's great. But I'm going to tell you how to better invest your money to make more money. If you've taken a real estate course like these mentioned above, you do have some great things going for you though. First of all, you have a strong desire to get ahead. Second of all, you value hard work and you're looking for the reward. The third thing is you're a lot like a real estate agent. Real estate agents do not fit in a lot of traditional jobs. Most of us like working on commission. We like being out there hustling. We like the thrill of the hunt. We like that big success. We like being paid on commission. And a lot of real estate investors are the same way. They enjoy the thrill of the hunt. They enjoy looking for that great property. They enjoy getting that great investment. And there's a lot of satisfaction in working that way. Very intelligent people, realtors, and real estate investors. And we can work good together that way. The last thing is, if you've done one of these courses or heard about it, at least you have a basic knowledge of real estate, some of the issues in real estate, and you got a general idea of maybe what to look for. The information in this series is for serious people wanting to start investing in real estate or building an extensive real estate portfolio. By the way, if I haven't mentioned it before, if you don't see the button up there, you see the website flashing down here in front of you periodically. Just go to that website. You can get the video series here. You can get the book here that the series is based on. We're going to be updating the book as we go through the series. And you can call me too. My number is I'll put that down here now too. My number is 925-260-4321. I believe in old-fashioned American values. You earn money by working hard and making wise decisions. I also believe that those that work smart and make wise decisions will get bigger returns on their investments. This information is not for the get-rich-quickers with schemes that are, like I said, a little more than lottery tickets. But I will provide you with real strategies for starting with little or nothing down. But remember, the more assets you have to start with, the easier it is going to be. Anyway, thank you for coming by. I hope you enjoy the series. Please, even if you're not going to use me as your real estate agent, give me a call and let me know what you think of the series. Thanks a lot.